This is very stylish. I like the aesthetic. And then you're coming in, come in, welcome to my crib. Oh, I'm holding the camera right now, you wouldn't believe it. Hello! I just landed at Universal Studios Orlando at Cabana Bay, which is my favorite hotel. There, I said it. And I just came over from some music. I'm always mixing them up. I'm coming from Disney. And if you want to see my Disney adventures, they are all linked below. There is a whole vlog series on the part of my trip that was Disney World. Today we are starting the part of my trip that is Universal, which is great. I'm so excited for Universal. I love Universal equally to Disney. And I love this hotel. I will give you a room tour now. Then I need to get the rest of my stuff out of my car. And then we are checking out the dining options because I'm hungry again. I would assume it's the good Floridian climate that makes me hungry all the time, but I'm just, you know, a little munchy munch. Okay, I'm giving you a room tour and I can tell you right away, I am so fucking impressed. Again, I love Cabana Bay and I feel it's a great value for money. But this time, which is the first, they have put me in one of the two towers. There's the Bayside and the Beachside tower. I'm in the Beachside right now. And the room is huge. I mean, compared to All Stars, this is huge. And fun fact, you're paying less. What you do pay additionally here is for parking, but let's go to the room. Entering the door, also let's decor. I can tell you. Hello. This is very stylish. I like the aesthetic. And then you're coming in, welcome to my crib. Oh, I'm holding the camera right now, you wouldn't believe it. We have a lot of space here, wow. This is the safe. The safes are not that big, the Disney safes are bigger. But there is a lot of space. This is great. Amazing. And this is the bathroom. I mean, this is plenty of space in a bathroom. Hello. Hi. Towels, hairdryer, light, toilet, shower. Also like a full mirror. Yes, I want to check how I'm looking in a full-size mirror situation. Bath products, and everything looks quite new and nice. I think the tower rooms are a lot newer than the rest, and I always wanted to book a room with a view to Volcano Bay, which you have in this tower. I haven't, because I haven't booked anything special, but this is the room. You have two queen-size beds. So much space. I need to get the rest of my stuff here. There is the Universal TV program running. There is a little coffee maker and there is storage. I bet we have a fridge. Oh, scheiße. Yeah. Fridge. I have a little bit to be careful here. What is this? Okay. Information. Oh, room in pizza. In-room pizza delivery and pizza to go. Okay, this is nice till midnight. They also give you, you know, it's the small things. They give you this. I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. There's a little living area. There's shit living for me. And then, I mean, we probably see the view a lot better tomorrow. It's basically the parking garage, but then, hello, we have a glimpse on the pool, which is awesome. So it's like partial pool view. I need to get the rest of my stuff out of my car. And then I need to unpack a little bit. And then we are checking out the rest of the hotel. Let's get started. I'm so happy to be here. Okay, I'm sweaty. But I'm ready for a little stroll. I just unpacked a little bit. That means the room looks like shit now, but my stuff is out. I need to do some washing at one point, but now I just want to explore. I also just had to remove my magic band. Wasn't aware that I'm still wearing a magic band. We are very close to the elevators, so we have to go down. Okay, I think this one is coming up. There's a beach area, and we're in the tower. You can see the lazy river here. This is crazy. Oh no, it's not a lazy river, it's a hot tub. There's a hot tub. Here's the lazy river. Oh my god. That's so cool. I want to take a swim now. Lazy river, here I come. Honestly, this is so fun. This is Volcano Bay here. Here's Volcano Bay. This is the tower I'm living in. Here's a pool. There is the lazy river somewhere. And then on the other side there is another pool actually. I could just stay in this resort. Why am I so zoomed in? Oh, ooh. Hey. No one wants that. Yeah, I can just stay in this resort. Like, I can live here. I'm moving in. Thank you. Putting that on the list for the universe. I'm just moving in here. So, manifesting. So, this is Bayline Diner. And then on this side now, we have the milkshake situation. This is new. I have to test this at one point. Okay, this is perfection. This is absolute perfection. I mean, if this doesn't look absolutely delicious, I do not know what does. I also got a refillable mug here. They also have freestyle machines. That means I can taste test all the sodas in the world. I will have my cheese burger now. And then, yeah, maybe checking out the gift shop and the lobby and all the other stuff. But first dinner, I mean, I need some food. Just need some food. So happy right now. I'm sitting in the lobby. They have live music at the lobby bar. There's a bar in the lobby. Like here. There's a man with a guitar. Walking away, there are also pool bars outside. I'm looking on the palm trees here. This is the check-in area over here. And there is the gift shop. There is a bowling area. There is a Starbucks. Then the Bayline Diner. reiterate that I want to live here. I want to live here. I feel so lucky that I'm staying for 10 days now here. But this is just the coolest. This is the best. That is the best. Yeah. This guy is really good. I love that they have Florida merch. I might need to get a Florida Spirit jersey. I'm so tired. So we have here all the restaurants that we have. Pizza, cocktails, shake, Starbucks. My brain is technically not working anymore, which is, I don't know. At least not in English, maybe also not in German, but yeah, for sure not in English. I will end this video now because I'm babbling and my brain is not working. Next week we are going to the Universal Studios, and until that, I see you real soon. Bye!